get your drinks at the bar. Let me know who you are. Shake your afros, butts and bras. House speakers jumping, coming out the sneakers. Come on and release the juice and let it all hang out like prostitutes. Those that don't know, back up in your grill. Set it off, then I do another spill. Hey!